Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today, new week, new puzzles in today's newspaper on Monday, December the 18th, 2023. Yeah, it's been 72 days ago. Yeah, another war started between Hamas and Israel. Yeah, 72 days. Well. I hope the war stopped in Christmas, on Christmas Day. Anyway, we have here two regular puzzles. One Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and we have a Medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And let me start first with the regular puzzles. 2 regular puzzles. Medium Sudoku number 7640. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus, in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. A lot of 9s. Can I start with a 9? Yeah, 9 in this column. 9 in the third column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. No, 9. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the only place left for 3 in the middle row should be there. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Done. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the middle column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. We have a pair, the 6 and a 9 in this column, the 6 and a 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 and 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5, okay. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Let me see. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column. First column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in the last row, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3. Then 6. Yeah. 4. Need a 3. Yeah, 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4 in this big square. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here, 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1, 1. How about the 7 and the 5? Okay. And now. 7 and the, yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row, last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 3, 3, okay. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1, 1, okay. Need a 5, need a 2 here. Need an 8 here. Come on. What's the next number? 1. I need a 1 here. 1. Need a 5 here. And I need the 9. Yeah, I need a 9 here. 7, 5, and need an 8 here. Yeah. In the last column, we need an 8. We need an 8 in the last column. And here can be an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left with 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square here. We have here 6 and a 9, so this box should be a 7 then. Need a 2 here. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3, 3, okay. We have a 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so in the third row. Only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 in the third column, no 3 there. Only place left for 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. How about, need a 5 there. Well, 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, 2, 5, 7, and look, we have a 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in the third row for number 7. Then 4, 8, and 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 8, and look, we have 7 and 8 in this column, no 7 and 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4 to 5, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have, well, 6 and 2 missing. Oh, well, we have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only place level 7 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. And we have all the 6s. Nope. Need a 6 here. And then. Let me see. The 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1, 5, 7. So we have 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left with the 7 should be there. 7 and 8. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. So now 1 box left in this middle column for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left with 1 should be there. The 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left with 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left with 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. How about the 7 then? And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 7. Okay, 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8 cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well, is this a 2 stars? Nope. Not the 1 star. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 minutes. Well, we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other regular puzzle, the Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.